In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the syllabus of Organic Chemistry Paper 1, where I am going to take your Unit 3 polymers. So let us see what are polymers. Polymers are compound of very high molecular masses formed by the combination of large number of simple molecules. The word polymers come from the Greek word poly meaning many and meros meaning parts. For example, we are using polythene in our day-to-day life. Next, we will see the term what is called as monomers. Monomers are the simple molecules which combine to give you polymer, that is simple repeating units. As you see this one, simple repeating units, that is called as monomers. Now let's see what is polymerization. What is polymerization? The process by which the small molecules are converted into polymers is called as polymerization. Or you can say small monomer molecules are linked to form a big polymer molecule. As important as polymers are the exit with monomers, which are small single molecules such as hydrocarbons and amino acids. Further, we are going to discuss about the classification of polymers. So, in a sequence, firstly we are going to see it by origin, then we are going to see it by monomer, then we are going to see it by thermal response, then mode of formation, then by structure, by application and physical properties, and by tacticity. Let us further move for the classification of polymers. Now see how beautifully the slide is showing the classification of polymers. As we have discussed that we are going to study with this base, that is the origin. So under origin we are going to study the polymers are categorized as under natural polymers. Second is semi-synthetic polymers, synthetic polymers. Next, as we go to the second one, that is based on the structure. So based on its structure, polymers has been categorized like linear polymers, branch chain polymers and cross-link polymers. And the third one is based on molecular forces. Under molecular forces, polymers are elastomers, fibers, thermoplastic and thermosetting. Based on the mode of polymerization, it has been categorized like addition polymers and condensation polymers. So dear students, you must have seen the classification, that how beautifully the polymers have been classified with its origin, its structures, polymer forces and mode of polymerization. Let us move to the next slide, its origin. Now by its origin means polymers which are isolated from natural rubber, that is called natural polymers, that is natural material. For example, silk, wool, natural rubber, cellulose, starch, protein. Dear student, you must have come across all this. And apart from this, if you remember any natural polymer, please note it down. The next one is, see, this is the example of natural rubber. The image has been provided. That is, it's given. The next one is semi-synthetic polymers. Semi-synthetic, as the name indicates, semi-synthetic polymers are obtained by simple chemical treatment of natural polymers to improve their physical properties like lustrous nature, tensile strength, are called as semi-synthetic polymers. So see how the natural polymers have just been modified into semi-synthetic polymers, and when we have switched to the semi-synthetic polymers, you must have seen that the properties have just been modified for giving the physical properties like lustrous nature. For example, cellulose acid and cellulose nitrate. Next one is synthetic polymers. Polymers synthesized in laboratory from low molecular weight compounds are called as synthetic polymers. For example, you have come across the synthetic polymers like day-to-day tapes, nylons, polystyrene, synthetic rubber, bakelite, Teflon. There are ample of examples nearby in our day-to-day life. Let us move to the next slide. By monomers. Now, let us see what is homopolymers and what is copolymers. Polymers consist of identical monomer is called as a homopolymers. अगर मोनोमर्स जो यूनिट्स हैं अगर वो सिमिलर होंगी तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज homopolymers. And if we say copolymers, copolymers means a monomers of different chemical structures. उसका स्ट्रक्चर केमिकली स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा डिफरेंट रहेगा. आई मीन्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू डिफरेंट केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स विल गिव यू copolymers, while homopolymers are nothing but a similar functional group और सिमिलर रिपीटेटिंग यूनिट्स. ओके उसका एग्जाम्पल हम लोग देख रहे हैं. होमोपॉलीमर्स का हम लोग देख रहे हैं पॉलीइथिलीन, एंड कोपॉलीमर्स का पॉलीइथिलीन है, पीवीसी है, पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड है, पॉलीप्रोपिलीन है, नायलॉन 6 है. और कोपॉलीमर्स का हम देख रहे हैं एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है, नायलॉन 6. आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब आपको सबको मालूम ही है कि व्हाट इज थर्मोसेटिंग पॉलीमर्स. यू मस्ट हैव कम अक्रॉस थर्मोसेटिंग पॉलीमर्स which was studied in 12th standard. So just a look that this is polymers is hard and infusible on heating. They are not soft on heating under pressure, and they are not remolded. These are cross-linked polymers and are reused. Further, we are going to move about the addition polymers.